Welcome to another update on the progress of the Promotion Wars Datapack editor. Last time I showed you, I just designed the screens of the wrestler editing part, just how it looked. It didn't really function, you couldn't really do anything. So since then I've been working on the functionality, getting it to do everything it needs to do. So I'm going to show you that in this video today. Just loading up the real world data pack, going to the wrestlers. So Hangman Page can be our guinea pig today. Actually, no, you won't be. We're going to get a WWE wrestler, because then you'll see a bit more. So the name's just text boxes, you can type straight in, that's simple. The image, click on it, it brings up a list of the images within your data pack. If you don't know where that is, it tells you right here. You can go and pop some pictures in right now, click refresh list, and your new pictures will be there to select. So here's AJ Styles. The description, just click on it. This is exactly the size box that it is in the game, so you can see when it's next to a picture what it will look like. Currently it fits okay. If you were to add some more text, you'll see the point where it changes to some dots to say there's some more that's not showing. And in the next update of the game, you'll be able to expand the box in the game to see as much text as you want. So I showed this before, changing the promotion that he's in, or making him a free agent. This is just a case of clicking around, and you'll notice here lower, mid and upper card is now joined by non-wrestling role. So instead of having to make your interviewers and general managers mid-carder or lower carder or whatever, you'll be able to make them an actual non-wrestling role. And here we can switch the brand. Now it's only showing you the things that are applicable to AJ Styles. That's why I went to AJ instead of Hangman Page, because on AJ you can see everything. You can see the brand, country, bookings. If we went to a free agent, there's far less showing on there. If you don't have to change it, it doesn't show you. So it only shows you what's important to you. There's no lower, mid, upper card, because as a free agent he might work 20 promotions. The card position means nothing as a free agent. Obviously no brand, and the indie bookings, obviously he accepts indie bookings because he's a free agent, so it doesn't waste your time making you choose things that you don't need to choose. So I'm going to go into Trent now. You'll see why in a minute. So we've done all that. Draw, ability, hardcore, charisma, mic skills, just type straight in. The compare, if you click, it gives you a little pop-up box, and it shows you the current value entered for Trent's draw value in relation to all the other wrestlers in that same promotion, to give you a bit of comparison. You might think Trent should be higher draw than Jake Hager or lower than Luchasaurus. It just gives you way of having a look to see if anyone's got a stupid draw figure that needs changing. Condition shows us injured if he's injured, and that is why we've chosen him, because we can show his injury down there. In fact, I'll do that now. So you see he's currently out till December with a neck injury. Click on there. To heal him, we just click available, and he's back wrestling. While he's unavailable, we can change the date that he's returning. So you just put in the exact date that he's going to come back, and you can change the text about what's wrong with him. There's all kinds of error checks in place, so if you try to make him come back before the game starts, you'll get a warning. And it's also recognised that the status here, the details, says it's out till December, and that says June. It's very clever. So to heal him, just click available, and now he's magically back to 85 condition, and he's available to work. Nice and easy. Ring style, got your list there, you just choose the one, and it gives you a little description there, so you know exactly what each one means. He's now a big man, he's put on some weight while he's been off injured. Manager, just choose from the list, so you can either view all the people in the whole game or just the ones in AEW. Now aligned with Leo Rush. Tag team and stable work similar ways. Again, you can look at all the tag teams in the game. It lists the set ones or the ones in this promotion. When you click on it, you can see exactly who's in it. So you can quickly choose a set one rather than trying to make sure you type the same word in as his partner. It'll already be there. Just choose it in the list. If you want to do a new one, just put it in there. Stable works exactly the same. See all the existing stables here. So if you want, you just stick him in to the Hardy family office. There he is. Contract expiry, currently set to December 22. If you want to choose a specific date, you can. Or if you want to do a random one, just click on there. So he's set to retire in 10 years. You can make him retired if you want. You can make his career a bit longer, shorter, whatever you want to do. Easy peasy. Finisher, name of the finisher there, and then what type it is there. So now it's a top rope. So this shows where Trent might work while he's under contract to AEW. Click on there. You can add as many as you want just by clicking on that side, or get rid of them by clicking on that side. Work nowhere if you want. Works no other promotions. Or you can make him work everywhere. And there they all are. Behaviours coming soon. And status we've done, that's the injury. So yeah, we've just flown through really quickly to show you how we can edit everything in the game now. There's loads of error checks. So when I confirm these changes, it's checked a lot of things to make sure it's all right. And if we went to someone else now, Sting, back to Trent, we've got all the changes So that's where we are at the moment. The Wrestler editing is almost finished. What I will be doing is adding some things on here to make doing stats updates easier. So for example, very quickly you can see two lists of the faces and the heels in a promotion, so you can see if anyone's in the wrong list since the last update was done. Likewise with the brand, like in WWE, you can see if anyone is shifting from Raw to SmackDown. A few different things, but aiming to help you do the stats updates, create data packs as quickly and as easily as possible. So just a few things to finish on the Wrestler editing, and then I'll be on to the promotion editing, which is the next big part. So parameters we've completed, wrestlers we've almost completed, promotions is the next bit. Then we've got two small bits here, and checking the data pack, and the editor will be released. And as I said before, while it's out there, I can then work on these optional things that aren't really that essential for the data packs, but you can use them later on. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your patience. It's turned out to be a pretty big job making this thing, but I'm doing it as fast as I can. I know you're all waiting for it. I'm doing the best job I can, and I'll get it to you as soon as possible.